Hello friends, welcome to Ideal Tutorials committed to excellence. For videos, please subscribe our channel. Progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers such that the difference of any two successive numbers is a constant. For example, the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an arithmetic progression. Its common difference is 1. An example, for the following AP, write the first term and the common difference of 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Now look at the series students 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Here the first term is 3 and the common difference is second term minus first term. So 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. So common difference is minus 2. Another example, write the first four terms of the AP when the first term and the common difference is given as follows. Suppose that A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10. Now find out the first four terms. Now here A is 1, so my A1 is 10. A2 is equals to A1 plus D, so 10 plus 10, 20. A3 equals to A2 plus D, 20 plus 10 equals to 30. A4 equals to A3 plus D equals to 30 plus 10 equals to 40. A5 is A4 plus D equals to 40 plus 10 equals to 50 and so on. Hence the AP series will becomes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Therefore the first term of this AP will be 10, 20, 30 and 40. Arithmetic progression is also used in our daily life. We come across arithmetic progression quite often, like roll numbers of our class, days in a week, months in a year. This pattern of series and sequences has been generalized in maths as a progression. To find the nth term of an AP, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now here a is our first term, d is the common difference and n is the number of terms. Analyze the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us take an example. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13 is 78. Now here look at the series. A is 3, common difference is 5 and the nth term given is 78. Now put the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put all the values and then find the value of n. We get n is equal to 16. Here 16th term of the AP is 78. Finding the nth term of an AP, let us come to sum of n terms of AP. The general formula is S is equals to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Or we can say S is equals to 1 by 2n a plus L, where a is the first term and L is the last term. As the sum formula, let us take an example. Find the sum of natural numbers up to 15. Now consider the AP series 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 15. Here A is 1, D is 1 and AN is 15. Now formula is S is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the values of A, N and D and solve the equations. We get S is equals to 120. Hence the sum of first 15 natural number is 120. Again the sum of an AP when last term is given. The formula is S is equals to n by 2 into first term plus last term. For better understanding of the formula, let us take an example. The first term of an AP is 5, last term is 45 and sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. Now here A equals to 5, L is equals to 45, Sn is equals to 400. Since we know that the sum of AP is Sn equals to n by 2 into a plus L, now put the value of Sn, a and L and then solve it, find the value of n. Here n is equals to 16. Now we know that the last term of an AP series can be written as L equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put all the values of L, a and n and get the value of d. Here d is equals to 8 by 3. This video is a small description of the arithmetic progression. I hope you liked this video. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with the ideal tutorials committed for excellence, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.